Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are on the beautiful campus of Nova Southeastern, which is near Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Now we're going to go into the Holocaust Museum, which is inside of their library. So come along with me and see what we can see. The main objective of this museum is to aid students to learn not only about the most horrible period of our history, the Holocaust, and its historical facts, but also, to equally important, to learn from the lessons of the Holocaust. They believe it crucial to show students firsthand what happens from hate, intolerance, anti-Semitism, racism, and bigotry. At this point, I'm going to just let you see what we saw and just let it sink in. Now, admission to this Holocaust Museum is free. It is very, very sad, but also very, very educational. If you have a chance to come, please come. It will open your eyes. Now, all throughout the museum, you will see these QR codes. If you have the capability to scan them, do so. It gives a lot of great additional information. In the Holocaust Museum, there is a place where you can ask a survivor questions. There's a booklet of questions that you can ask, and some of them are very simple. You push the button, you ask the question, such as, was your hair shaved? Speaking to the microphone.
To be quite honest, I don't always remember everything. And this is one of the things that I can't be 100% sure. I had hair in Skaržisko, but I imagined or thought, because I told it a few times, that I was shaven when after the selection in Majdanek, before I was thrown into that vat of acid. But I can't swear to it that I was, so I can't really remember.
How long were you in the boxed car?
I cannot even imagine. It was like an eternity.
I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it.